Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Tonight we're going to do a quick pasta dish, which is just going to be dinner. Just a quick one, you know. Alright, so far I already water. Hey, alright guys, I have my sausage washed off already, ready to get cut up. Alright, I'm going to start the process of cutting the sausage. So I cut them, and I want to cut them like this way. Want it at about this thick. Alright, so you want it. Alright guys, so I get the sausage, 2 sausages all cut up. Alright, my next move is I have my pot warming, so that when my pot warm I can just go in with my sausages. It's a non-stick pot, so I don't need any oil. Alright, so but if you have a regular pot which is not non-stick, then you can definitely just go in and put your oil and, you know, take care of your thing like that. But anyhow, I got half of red pepper, half yellow, half green, and a large onion. Alright, I'm gonna go in and chop those up and add those in after the sausage give me a little golden brown color. Alright, so as we go, just start chopping up these veggies. Alright, oh guys, my veggies already washed. Okay, so just in case you guys be like, oh, you didn't wash it. Yes, I already washed my veggie. Alright, I don't do nothing in my kitchen unless it's washed, properly cleaned and ready to go. Alright, it's much easier than doing it by hand. Much quicker. Get the job done real quick. Give it a shake so everything mixed in. Okay, it's mixed in. Alright, my pot is ready. So we're gonna go in with my sausages. Just a minute guys, let me set up properly. Alright, here we go. Alright, so you can see my pot. Alright guys, here we go. I'm just gonna grab a handful, drop it in there. Like I said, I don't need any oil, because this way they make these sausages, they already have oil in them. So part from it and use that. Alright. Then I'm gonna go in my spoon and give it a stir in the meantime. So they're not sticking up. Give them a nice golden brown color. Alright. Alright guys, I already get my golden brown color that I'm looking for. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go in now with my lovely peppers and onions. This is what I'm looking for. Yep. Peppers and onions. Alright. Smelling so good. Woo. And guys, if you don't want the veggie in it, if you're not a veggie fan, I mean, you can get it like garlic powder or stuff like that to add in there. Give you a nice flavor or your little seasoning, you know. Yep. Alright guys, just leave that to just simmer down a little. About 3 minutes or so. And that'll be ready up. Alright. Okay guys, so that's ready up. So this what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in and add our pasta. Alright. We're gonna add our pasta. Let this stop. Ready up. Add our pasta into it. We already cooked the pasta already. You guys saw that earlier. Cooked it, drain it. Guys, just don't try this at home. Makes sense, you just get a spoon or something and try to dish it out, alright? Been in the kitchen for years now, so the tricks, you have to be careful with them. Alright guys, so do that. You're just gonna mix it in. Mix it all in. Everybody's smelling the pot and being that they're hungry, they're ready to eat. So I have to hurry up. I really have to hurry up this food. Alright guys. Everybody's smelling it and be like, oh my god. Ready to eat. Alright, there we go. One more thing guys, this is gonna be my secret ingredients. Alright. So here I have my all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put a lot in there, just a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna go in a little bit of granulated garlic. Guys, whew. Oh my word, I'm ready to eat. And guys, you know me already. I always have to taste it. Yeah? Can't be cooking all this good food and not tasting it. There's no way. Guys, everybody looking at me when I say I have to taste it because they're ready to eat. I ain't gonna put it in a plate this time. My hands are all cooked, so. Alright. Oh yes, guys, they're gonna love this. I'm telling you. Guys, just continue to follow me. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Guys, just comment below what you guys want me to cook next. I'm Jamaican. I can cook a variety of Jamaican dishes, and also I can cook American dishes too. So just let me know what you want me to cook. All right. Thank you, guys. Peace out.